Hi, we're SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at an 8.5 by 12 Vinos enclosed trailer. At the front, we have our jack coupler and safety chains. This trailer has 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of the Vinos. There is a 36-inch side passenger door. This trailer does come with two 3,500-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. There are aluminum teardrop fenders. This trailer does come with ATP flooring, as well as a spring-assisted loading ramp. There is LED brake lights. This trailer does have two vents, one at the front and rear. They are push-out vents. There are two LED strip lights, an AC unit, as well as a ventilation fan in this trailer. Have our door and step from the inside, equipped with a bar lock. This trailer does come with a 30 amp electrical package. There are heavy duty plywood walls and 4 D-rings on your floor. This trailer does have a black screwed exterior. You have your electrical hookup at the front driver's side. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 12 enclosed trailer with a 30 amp electrical package. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.